Does Gen Z actually want to own a home? Gen Z may be new to the housing market, but they're jumping in with enthusiasm. About 93% of adult Zoomers want to own a home, and 58% aim to build wealth through property ownership. But it's not all smooth sailing. High interest rates and a lack of available homes leave 60% of Gen Z worried they may never own a home. Top worries include affordability, with 54% fearing they won't be able to afford a home, 48% concerned about hidden costs. Only 18% of Gen Z buyers say they could afford a home purchase, with 80% believing the market will worsen, and many feel stuck. Financial barriers are a big hurdle. About 63% of Zoomers have less than $10,000 in savings, and 17% have nothing saved at all. High prices and interest rates are significant obstacles. Despite these challenges, nearly 1 in 3 Zoomers think they will own a home worth more than $1 million someday. However, 52% anticipate that their first home will cost less than $250,000. Some Zoomers are so eager to own a home that 56% would buy a home with asbestos, and 54% would buy without central air conditioning or heating. I doubt they live in Texas though. So, does Gen Z actually want to own a home? Absolutely, but they do face significant challenges. If you are a Gen Z buyer and just want to understand the market better, I'm here to help. Shoot me a message and let's navigate this journey together. Okay, until next time.